Chicka yeah yeah, chicka chicka yeah yeah, chicka chicka. What is up, traders? Good morning. Welcome back. Before we get started, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Complete risk disclaimer. Trade at your own risk. Chicka chicka yeah yeah. My oh my. My oh my. All right, let's see what we got going on today. We're looking at Euro USD. I understand that there's news today. Let's check it out. Woo! News is about to hit in 1 minute. 49 seconds is a countdown. We'll see what happens, bro. We'll see what happens, which side the news expands to. We look at the weekly, well, the monthly. All right, sounds good. Weekly is still expanding. This is next draw on liquidity. Yes, ma'am. All right. All right. Gosh, this lady putting all my freaking business out there, huh? Good morning, John. What up, what up, what up? Some news about to release in like 5 seconds. Oh, there it is. Yeah, we're still bullish. We're still bullish. There's that CPI news. We're still bullish. Look at how scary, dog. Alright, that is scary. The spread on Euro USD. I believe it. Oh my goodness, look at how scary. That's a nasty candle, dude. Somebody was in some cells and they just got murked. Somebody just got murked. Somebody's also in the money. Man, the spreads are insane. For everything, really. Ah, ah, ah. Yep, the spread on these pairs is nasty. All right, who was selling? Who was in sales, huh? That is awesome. That's awesome. That's great. The 1 minute OTE or what? Break a structure right here. If you would have got stopped right here, let's just say that you would have, could have reframed it to right here. 1 minute optimal trade entry would have been nasty. No trading for today. We'll see what happens. Our rules are that we don't want to be in a trade during news. We have rules that state after news hits, we can look for a setup. If there's a setup after news, because right now, this just expanded to the upside. After the expansion, after it broke all these structures, potentially market structure shifted as well. What happens after an expansion? A retracement. Our OTE setup is catching the retracement. Bruh, news is mad. How you hotshot? How am I hotshot? Is that your question, or are you asking how am I doing? Yeah, news is mad. I agree. I agree. News is insane right now. News, 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 news. Who even watches news anymore? Like, what the heck? Just kidding. I'm sure a lot of you probably watch the news. I haven't been watching no news. Euro USD is in the May 4th FEG. May 4th? Are you looking at that like what time frame? Time frame are you looking at that? Still expanding to the downside. 15-minute. May 4th. It's going to be right here. May 4th FBG. I don't know how you were able to see that on the 15-minute, my man. Like, well, dang. There are a lot of FEGs there. I still think Euro is very bullish. I think it's very, very bullish. I think the weekly is still going to expand and take out these liquidity highs over here. It's really close. It's really, really close. I think it's going to continue expanding, take him out. See what happens then. But I think this is very, very bullish. Very bullish indeed. Very, very, very bullish. Oh, how you guys doing today? What time is it where y'all are at? Right now it's 6:36 a.m. my time. I've been up since 3 this morning. Just got out of the gym. We hit the gym at 4 this morning. It's a great way to start your day with the gym. It's phenomenal. I love it. (8:15 to 9 a.m. candles. 9:30 p.m. here. Dang, 9:30 p.m. You ready for bed? I wish I could end my day trading. I would like to end it trading instead of start it trading. Personally. Need a new high right here. Still expanding. Good morning, Ibrahim. What up, what up, what up? Good morning, Peter. Popcorn, huh? Watching CPI, nice. Good morning, Ivan. What up? How you doing? You catching some trades today? Bodie said it's 3:30 there. Is it 3:30 a.m. or p.m.? Lewis, what are your top three artists of all time for you? Are we talking music or are we talking like painting, drawing? If we're talking music, my top three artists of all time would be Lil Wayne. Such a Lil Wayne fan. Um, this is so hard. This is so hard. Usher, I really love Usher, and maybe Chris Brown. You know, I'm a singing boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do 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 do. Oh, 1 minute OTE coming in or what? How are the spreads? Not bad, not bad. OTE right here. Stop would be at the 20 level, which would be 8.4. 8.4 plus 5 equals 13.4. So 50 divided by 13.4, divide that by 6 equals 0.62 will be my lot size that I'll enter here. As soon as it taps that green line, we're in there. Come on. Yep, we're in. My stop loss is 1.10520. I'll target a 1 to 2 here. Real simple. Keep it simple. Keep it clean. What up, James? Good morning, my man. Ivan, we're doing good, bro. We're doing real good. Got a good workout in this morning. You know, now we're here on the charts. It's nice. It's 5:40 p.m. there, Asim. Nice, nice. Not bad. That's a nice time. Selena, 2:40 p.m. there. Okay, cool. Cool. Y'all are getting your midday, getting your day ended while I'm barely starting mine. That's what's up. Would you take this 1 minute OTE now? Yes, I took it. I'm in this trade. We're in profit right now. Hopefully we could catch a quick trade, be done with the day, because there's a lot of news today. I don't really want to participate too much. Mine are Drake, and Drizzy. I like Drake a lot, bro. But like ever since his Scorpion album, like Views was the very last album that I really like enjoyed Drake, honestly. Ever since Views, I kind of just thought Drake was one of my tops too, bro. I used to love Drake. Like, man, that Take Care album and like So Far Gone out, like all those albums, fire, bro, fire. I miss Drake, like the old Drake. 1441 here in South Africa. Luna Wolf, all the way from South Africa. I appreciate you tuning in. That's what's up. That's what's up. Anyways, a very bullish morning to you. First time on your live stream after watching and making money off your OTE slingshot. Nice, nice. Heck yeah, I'm glad you were able to, utilize that OTE slingshot, make some money. That's what's up. But yes, it's a very bullish morning for me. I'm anticipating some bulls right now. PM in Egypt. Literally trading from the office. Nice. Very nice. PM in Egypt. Man, Egypt. That is crazy. It's so cool seeing all of y'all from like around the world like come in here. It's so crazy. So cool. What up, ICT Simplified? How you doing? Oh my gosh, Peter. Had volume muted. New Drake still fire, not gonna lie. Plus his 200 old songs, the GOAT. His new stuff alright. I like what's that new one that I like by him? Just like Billboard Jump. I don't even know the name of it. I forget the name of it. Getting ready for sales? Nah, it's not getting ready for sales. Watch, we'll hit this one. Egypt 2. Nice, nice. You trade CPI? I don't trade CPI. I wait till after news hits to look for setups. News hit right here. After the news hit, retraced a bit, created another high, break a structure on the 1 minute, retraced, and we buy the retracement so we could catch that next expansion up. We don't know if it's gonna happen. We anticipate it, and we just go with the flow, bro. Just manage your risk and see what happens. But fine, bro. You doing good, bro. Doing good. Ready to make some dough, We up on the account right now. We're trying to go get this trade in. If we could call it a day, just be quick and easy. 15 minutes. Sheesh. ICT killing market. ICT killing market? ICT is killing the market right now or what? Waria Masri Abus Idak Kalemni. What does that mean? You're over here teaching me another language. That's what's up. Funded account, not funded. It's a challenge right now. It's this challenge right here. If we refresh our screens, this is the account. We're on phase 2. We're down on the account, but let's see what happens, bro. EU playing with us right now. I better take off. Go EU for Hotshot, right, Peter? Let's see it, bro. Let's see it. Let's go EU. I don't like that it closed right here. It created a swing high. It usually leads to a retracement. I'm kind of scared. Sometimes it'll also just expand and create a new swing high too. So like right now, it could go both ways. I'm kind of scared. Kind of scared. Emotions. I'm getting all emotional. Not even going to lie. Are we allowed to ask technical questions about OTE strategy by you? Yeah, why not? It's Arabic, but with the English language. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Okay. Okay, I'm getting scared. I'm getting scared, man. Hold it! Hold it! Hodl! 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 Looking better on the challenge now, Hotshot. I know, bro. We gotta come back. We gonna come back. I ain't tripping. OTE got my back. It's going down, down, down. It better not. Watch it expand up. It's gonna create another high. Watch. I'll blow it. Like homie said the other day. Oh man, let's go. Let's go EU. Show me what you working with, EU. That's right, baby. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, baby. Pick it up. I know I'm about to start bullying it. Make it run from me. Run from that entry. Come on, you. Come on, you. We know you wanna fly. We know you wanna fly, you. Come on. Come on. We know you wanna fly, you. As you said in one of your videos, you're aiming for 0.17, negative 0.25, negative 0.62, and negative 1. Do you have any specific percent partial take profits on each level? To answer your question, Ruben, I don't. So that's how ICT teaches the optimal trade entry. He teaches that you should pay the trader and you should take partials. Personally, me, I don't take partials. I like to aim for a 1 to 2 R, and once it hits that, I claim everything. I don't like to take partials anywhere. I just provided you all how ICT teaches it. Um, why don't I take partials? Simply because I believe taking partials long term limits the amount of reward you can actually gain. I mean, that's an obvious, because if you take partial, if you risk 1%, take partials out of 1 to 1 R, and you only leave 0.5% running, and then you hit like a 2R, but you only have 0.5% running, you're up 1%. So, like, it limits you, and that's an obvious. So, I don't like to be limited. I believe that my setup is pretty consistent over time, and it'll long term lead to profitability as long as I hold for like 1 to 2 Rs. And that's totally dependent on you as a trader. If you feel better about taking partials, because it does add to your confidence by taking partials, it makes you feel more confident. It gives you that that mindset, like, I've made money before, I can do this, I can continue to make money. So if it adds to your confidence, I recommend it. But I don't think it's necessary. I think it's way better to hold for risk to reward ratios. um I personally don't need it for my confidence. I've kind of, worked my psychology to be able to, like, just say screw it. You know what I mean? It is what it is type stuff. So, do you move your stop to break even at some point before it hits 2R? No, I don't actually. Um, I should whenever it hits 1 to 1, but sometimes it will come all the way back, stop you out just to fly into profit. If I set a trade, I'm just gonna leave the stop and leave the take profit alone. I'm not gonna worry about it. Whichever one it hits, that's my result. So I don't move stops whatsoever. If, let's say, my 1 to 2R is a little distance, let's say if it's a little distant, right? And then price does something where it pushes up, gets close to my 1 to 2R, creates a swing right here, and then it pushes up, gets close again, creates another swing. At this point here, I'm going to put my stop right at break even, because that's where the last swing low was, right? That's whenever I'll go break even, because ICT himself says if you're ever trailing stops, you want to put them under the second swing low. You don't want to put them under this swing low, because this is the most current swing low for this retracement. Price can just sweep that and then it can continue flying, right? So you don't want to place your stops here, because then you'll be part of liquidity, and being part of liquidity, that's what these markets target. So you want to put your stops below this one down here, this swing here that would form. And then, if it stops out here, at least your stops are, in a safe spot. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're about to get stopped out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we just got stopped. Uh-oh. We just got stopped out, you guys. 1% loss for the day. And it's totally fine. I'm not tripping about it. Make sure that your risk is intact. You know what I mean? Like, for the week, we're 2-1-1. We got 2 wins, 1 loss, 1 break even. So we're okay. I'm not tripping about it. Bring stop loss to break even, then aim for negative 0.62 for final take profit. It works for me. PS I trade XAU USD. Makes sense, makes sense, yeah. See, I see, interesting. I believe it comes down to personal preference. Yeah, it definitely does. Most certainly does. Euro USD FVG on the 5 minute, yes, it has that FVG that it's retracing into. And if you notice here, it's our setup right now. If it taps this green level, we'll be in there again. Take a second trade. I allow myself 2 losses per day. So if it taps here, put my stops at the 80 level, which is going to be about 22.5 plus 5. 27.5, so 50 divided by 27.5 divided by 6 equals 0.30 lot size is what I'll take right here. And my entry will be set right here. 10404. Stop loss will be 10179. Okay, so I placed my limit order. If price taps that green line, we'll be in there. I only trade GU and NAS now on the 1 minute. Be at 1-1 and only take profit at next liquidity like 2 to 3R. Nice. Nice, yeah. You know, I mean, definitely a good way to look at it, Lewis. You wouldn't listen, LOL. What do you mean, Peter? I'm hard-headed, bro. I'm hard-headed. I can't listen. It's hard for me, huh? Gotta love it. Gotta love it. See the previous day. Previous day's high and low. We're way beyond it. Yeah, this is previous day's high right here, and we already blasted through it. So price can come down. If you see my like my third recent video, I provided an example where price can utilize the previous day's high as a support level and then just take off from there. So it's potentially what could happen here. Potentially. Look at the 1 minute OTE setup. From here to here. It's an optimal trade entry to sell off right there. Reason why I'm not going to take that sell though is because it's going against my bias. My bias is bullish. What up, Boris? How you doing? Hi all. Was anyone affected by the dollar dump today? No. Ain't no trading during it. We looked for this trade right here, this optimal trade entry right after. Got wicked out. Well, not wicked out, but we got stopped out. Yeah. I'm hoping it'll sell off into this green line here so we could get a new entry. Take a buy there. What up, Fardosa? How you doing? It was a big move, so expect price to relax even though bias is bullish. Yup. Yep, it could be very slow from here on out. Could very much be. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Do, 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 do. That's good for Doso. I'm glad to know you're doing great. That's good. I was in 2 trades. I lost 3% when I should have lost only 1%. Oof. Was it slippage? Did slippage catch you, Bellas? Oh, that's tough. That 2% slippage was not good. Ooh, it happens. It happens. Gosh, yes, I hate slippage. And hate, I really don't like to use the word hate. I should say I really dislike slippage. Slippage sucks. Oh my gosh, that's a bummer. That's a bummer, Bellas, but lesson learned, you know? Lesson learned. Make sure you don't have a trade in the market when that news hits, you know? Because, man, if it's in your favor, woo, that's a payday, but believe when it's not, that's a depressing day. I would be depressing for me. I'd be like, oh, I'd lock myself in a closet and beat myself up. Oh, that's funny. It's not funny, Bellas. I'm sorry. All messed up. I'm terrible. I'm a piece of, I'm a piece of trash. I'm sorry. Lesson learned. Forgot about CPI. Yep. Yep. Always got to make sure you're aware of the news for sure. That news. That news. Oh man. What is the US dollar doing? US dollar going down? US dollar. US dollar. Man, bro. Come on, 1 minute OTE. Just sell into my green line and then buy from there. I'm predicting the markets right now. It's going to sell, or we can enter, and then it's going to take off, okay? I'm predicting it right now. Predicting it. Again, news before you get to the charts is always a good routine to get into. I agree. I agree. Great routine. That's what I do personally. I like to check the news. Always check the news. Oh, man. I agree, Asim. I agree. I agree with that statement. Let's go, Euro. Show me something new. Like that Thai dollar sign. Da 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 da. Something new. Ooh. How do I find out the trend? What time frame? I base it off the daily time frame. I base it off the daily and the weekly. So like if we broke down like a random chart, right? Let's go to AUD for example. If I deleted everything, oops, not that. If I deleted everything here, remove 4 drawings. If I start from the weekly, right? Why do I start from the weekly? Because the weekly will give me an idea to how the daily and the 4 hour is going to be moving, right? So based off the weekly, we see we had an expansion, break a structure here, and you can see that price retraced, kind of flipped. So like at that point, you know, we'd be looking bullish, but then it flipped again because it gave like the market structure shift here, you know, gave the expansion down lower, and now it's starting to move to the downside, right? And if you were to frame this with your fibs, you could frame it like this. Okay, you could frame it from like here to here, right? Because this is like the expansion, most current swing wick high to most current swing wick low. But it got ran through, right? We can consider that a liquidity run. You just reframe it. So I would anticipate and say potentially that weekly is bearish. But there's also possibility that it can go bullish. Okay, so right now the weekly doesn't look too clear to me, right? So now I'm going to drop to the daily time frame. This is where I get a lot more, you know, information. Right here, that expansion we just framed, you can see that price retraced into optimal trade entry zone, and now it's starting to move towards the upside. So if we continue to break that down, I like to drop to the 4 hour as well. You can see that the 4 hour is moving bullish. Just broke through structure here. It's moving bullish, right? So based off the daily and the 4 hour, I'm anticipating bullishness. Okay, the weekly, not too clear, but that's why you want to continue dropping down to get a clearer you know, idea. Right now, like the next draw on liquidity is, older previous highs or something. See how it just ran out these highs, it ran out all these highs. That was the expansion right there. Then it retraced. If you were to draw a fib right there, boom, boom, it retraced into our 6-2, our OTE zone, and now it's beginning to take off bullish. It did take out that high, but you can anticipate price to continue even higher to close above there. You know what I mean? To close above this high right here, potentially continue towards like this liquidity here, because if you go to the 1 hour, this liquidity over here, it's obvious old highs, right? So that's the next draw on liquidity in my opinion. I think this is bullish as heck. So now that you have that bullish idea, you want to identify the previous day's high, and you want to target the previous day's high. If price has already blasted through the previous day's high, as you see here, if we annotate our midnight to midnight, which we don't even need to annotate the other midnight, you can see that this is the previous day's high right here, right? So previous day's high right here, boom. You can see that price ran it, right? But then it came back below. This is still a target, bro. So right now, price retraced into this fair value gap. If I tell you like what is the probability of price selling right now, how probable is it that price is gonna sell right now? It's not as probable as buying into this old high, into the liquidity here. There's more probability for bulls than for bears here. So that's kind of how I go about it, right? Yep, it tapped into our 5-0 and it's taken off. It is taken off. If we would have reframed the 1 minute, it would have been the same thing. No, we wouldn't have been able to catch that at all. Bummer. So I'm gonna go ahead and just delete that entry right there. Yeah, Euro didn't listen. What up, Syed? I noticed you are using 3 indicators. Can you share which one? Yeah, most certainly. So I use my watermark indicator, which shows hotshot up here. If I cloak it off, you could see that. I just leave that on there for video purposes. I have my first EMAs, which these EMAs are the 1 minute. This is for my slingshot. I hardly use it, but it works. You can see here, price retraced into the slingshot and the EMAs held. Gave you beautiful direction that this is going to go bullish. If they cross over, then you can anticipate it to start selling off. But if they retrace back into the EMAs and the EMAs like start like a band, like a slingshot, you pull it back and then let it go, slingshot. And you can see that that's what happened here. That's my 1 minute, and then I have the 5 minute as well for the 5 minute slingshots. When our price comes back into the EMAs and then the EMAs hold, slingshot. Gives you like, I kind of consider it a cheat code in my opinion. But yeah, those are my EMAs, y'all. Hardly use them, I'll be honest, but I just provide them. It's easier for a beginner trader to see these kind of setups with the EMAs. Hotshot, do you stick to your daily bias always, or is there any reason why you would change it during the week? I like to stick to it always. The only reason why I would change it during the week is if the daily ran out the liquidity that I'm anticipating it to run out. Like for example, right here, this liquidity here that we like framed price, for this optimal trade entry from here, retrace, expansion. As soon as it runs out that high, if the daily gave a 3 candle wick like this, like if it went like this, where this wick was higher than the one to the left and the one to the right, then after the expansion, that's when we can anticipate potentially a retracement. So if it's retracing, then I would anticipate price to start going bearish here on the daily time frame. That's when I'll start looking to target the previous day's low until we get back into, like another form of liquidity, right? So another form of liquidity is fair value gaps, right? That's what ICT says. So like I would start looking for previous day's low until we tap into a fair value gap within the retracement range. That's the only time that I would ever flip that. What up, outsiders? How you doing? G setting up for a possible sell on 5 minute. Cancel that. Moving strong bullish again. They all are, huh? They all are. Sheesh. The bummer. Everything is. Bummer, bro. I normally use the 0.68 level. It's not a bad level. It's not. It's for a deeper retracement for sure. It gives you a tighter risk to, like a tighter stop for a bigger risk to reward. But it would suck if you missed out on the setup just for trying to get a deeper, retracement. It happens a lot too. New fib from new swing. Yes. So as soon as this 5 minute candle closes, this is a great example, Araceli. This is going to be on the 5 minute though. Like, see how this 5 minute just expanded, took out this high here? Now that it just took out this high, if this 5 minute candle closes and this wick is lower than this wick here, then you can anticipate it to start retracing, right? What will it likely retrace into? This fair value gap right here. This is another form of liquidity that price likes to target. Price likes to fill in fair value gaps and take out liquidity above old highs and old lows. And that's literally all the market does. Retraces into fair value gaps, expands to take out liquidity. It's literally all the markets do. We just use the fibs to frame it, to get a good entry in premium or in discount. Okay, that's literally all we use the fibs for. But right here, yeah, we could start framing it with a new fib, Bodhi. We could draw it from this low here now, and once this high forms within the next 3 minutes, we can attach it to there. Price taps that 6th level, we can enter a buy. Anticipate a buy, Entry on EU forming on the 1 minute. Yeah, see, and then here on the 1 minute, we have it framed on the 5 minute from this wick, right? On the 1 minute, we would frame it from here to here. And here, our 6.2 level, well, our 6.0 level, lines up like right in the middle of this fair value gap. So like the 1 minute, it looks good for that entry, right? And right here, if for whatever reason it came all the way down, took us out here, we would just reframe that low to here, retake that entry, and of course that's the 5 minute pretty much. But you just want to adapt with the market for sure. You're welcome, Araceli. You're welcome. Yeah, 1 minute setting up looks sweet. Looks sweet indeed. Sweet like candy. Chicka chicka, yeah, yeah. Oh man. Oh, there he goes again. Somebody asked me the other day, not sweet anymore. I agree. Taking off again. Yep, these markets are just not having it today. Somebody asked, like, whenever it runs out the previous day's high or previous day's low, can you look for, the reversal back towards like the range of the daily candle? And I would say I wouldn't, and you can see the reason why not. Like right here is the previous day's high. We blasted through it, and obviously we have not. If you would have been chasing reversals, you would have been getting stopped out often, so I think if it blasts through, a previous day's high or a previous day's low, stick with that bias. If it blasts through a previous day's high, continue to look for a bullish setup. Blast through a previous day's low, continue to look for a sell setup. But don't go opposite of what it just blasted through, because you're just at that point. I would consider it counter trend trading, and I don't think that's a rookie trader. Like, rookie traders do that. Okay, I'll be honest. It's pointless to do it. It's literally like waiting for the RSI indicator to get to a 70 or 30 level to look for an opportunity. EU is teasing, huh? Anyone catch anything during news? Nah, fam, nah. We waited till after news, looked for a setup, and got murked. So we'll see what happens. Best to stay out of CPI news, as can blow your account in a heartbeat. Today was not as strong as it can be as its slow summer markets. I agree. I blew a small account I risked in news. Huh. If you're okay, like, can you imagine, like, you're okay with losing $20? It's like, screw it, I'm gonna throw this $20 in an account, and I'm gonna just bet like a freaking 10 lot, like a 0.10 lot or something. And if you lose it, you lose it. If you don't, then you might come up, you know? It's like throwing it on the roulette wheel. It's like a 50-50. Oh, that's funny. You gonna look for that silver bullet? Nah, I don't trade silver bullet. I'm OTE only. Oh, right, not good. Right. Ouch. Ouch for real. Not gonna lie, I put 200 on GU and grabbed 1K back, so it wasn't bad. Not bad at all. That's a 1 to 5 R, bro. Shoot. Not bad at all. Yeah! That's a payday. Oh, man. What's the difference between OTE and silver bullet? Thank you in advance. It's a great question. So, silver bullet depends on, and correct me if I'm wrong, anyone, because it's been quite a while since I've traded the silver bullet, but the silver bullet depends on a run on liquidity followed by a displacement. Optimal trade entry doesn't require a run on liquidity. It requires a break of market structure, which is just an expansion through an old high or an old low with a retracement. And we look to take entry off the retracement. With the silver bullet, it doesn't have to retrace as deep as we need it to retrace for the optimal trade entry. The silver bullet, if it taps the first like point of interest, the fair value gap, which can be really close to the high or low, that, you know, in that situation, that's like a silver bullet entry. So it doesn't have to retrace as deep as the OTE, and the OTE doesn't require a run on liquidity. It can happen, and it can provide, you know, a reversal or something similar to how the silver bullet does. The silver bullet can turn into an optimal trade entry easily, but they're two separate models. And realistically, I think the better model is the optimal trade entry, simply because of that deeper retracement. By retracing deep into the range after an expansion, and by adding a trade in premium or discount, that gives you a tighter stop loss, rewarding you a bigger reward, you know, risk to reward ratio. With silver bullet, sometimes the entry is a little close to the high or close to the low, and it, in my opinion, it doesn't allow as much reward to risk. And like silver bullet, I understand that it's, you know, it's best on the E-mini S&P, and I don't like the E-minis. I don't like trading E-minis. I don't care for them personally. That 5 handle stop and all that, it's hard to really like, it's not hard, but it's confusing to me. I was, all my retail trading career, I was taught pips, not handles. So like pips, like whenever he says 5 handles, I get confused sometimes. So I don't care for handles. I care more for pips. And with Forex, I can do just as well as, with the silver bullet. I think, with the optimal trade entry, it provides better risk to reward ratios, long story short. That's why I like the OTE. It's simple, just beautiful. You know what I mean? And the silver bullet, it's sometimes it'll wick one way, give you displacement. Take out that way, give you displacement the other way, you get stopped out, and it's bull. It's bull. I hate it. It's baloney. I really dislike the word hate, so I dislike it. It's baloney. So 5 handles is basically 5 pips, and that's what I thought, Peter. But many people have said it's not. It's not even close to the same. And I'm like, how not? Isn't it like 4 ticks is in 1 pip, and they say 4 ticks is in 1 handle, and like all of that. There's so many misconceptions about it that it's just not. It doesn't have the correct info in my opinion, and since it doesn't, I don't trade it. Mr. OTE. Haha, yeah. That's funny. Break of market structure and displacement also for OTE, right? Or market structure break only. OTE will likely almost always have the displacement. In the expansion, there will likely always be displacement. But like, there's a difference between a market structure shift and a market structure break. But yeah, break of market structure and displacement is, for the OTE. 15-minute liquidity or 15-minute FBG within mitigation block right above lies the sell side liquidity. Hopefully it'll get swept. We'll trace to 1.1. Hopefully, huh? But it was like a hurricane swept my stops and extra took 2% out. Yeah, facts, Bellas, facts. Thanks for explaining. Of course, Foresight, of course. Too much news for USD today. I know, it's being ridiculous. EU going for this weekly high. I'm just telling you. What up, Jacob? How you doing? 5 handles is 5 points, not pips nor ticks. See? That's what I mean. Yeah, basically 5 pips, but like everything else, they try to confuse it with the ticks. 4 ticks to a pip. See, and LB says 5 handles is 5 points, not pips nor ticks. So like that's what I'm saying. And like the information that's free on YouTube, bro, and the information that ICT, because ICT talks about it, but he does not go in depth about handles, dude. So like I've heard him talk about handles and explain what they are, but I need an in-depth explanation because bro, it's confusing to me. And it just, how do you even calculate handles, you know what I mean, for a lot size? Like, aren't they different? They're different because even ICT trades contracts. Contracts are different from lots. And what, you know what I mean? That's why I stay away from E-mini. Not for me. How do you handle multiple take profits in practice? I'm sorry, Anton. What do you mean by that? How do you handle multiple TP in practice? Are you asking like if there's multiple take profit levels, how do I like manage my trade whenever price taps into them? Is that what you're asking? What time frame swings do you usually look for the market structure break? Whatever time frame I'm trading. If it's a 1 minute time frame, I'm looking for the market structure break there. If I'm trading the 5 minute time frame, I'm looking for the market structure break there. Whatever time frame I'm taking entry off of is the time frame I'm looking for the market structure break on. Each broker has a different contract size. Right. See, Bodhi, like each contract, like, yeah. He means how you take partials. Yes. All right, Anton. Yeah. So it's dependent on the trader. Me personally, I don't look at the take profit levels. That's how ICT teaches this strategy. Me personally, I'll set my stop loss, my entry, and I'll target a 1 to 2R. As long as it hits a 1 to 2R, I don't care about holding past it. I don't care about taking partials. I close my position fully. I don't take any partials if it hits a 1 to 1. I don't move my stops to break even at all if it hits a 1 to 1. I don't do any of that. It's dependent on the trader. If you gain confidence by taking partials, great. Do it for your confidence, gives yourself a confidence boost, and it allows your mentality to be a lot more stronger whenever you're trading the markets. I don't personally need the confidence boost myself, not to say that I'm any better, but I believe that taking partials limits the potential reward you have long term, and it's obvious. I broke it down earlier, but it's dependent on the trader. I think it's best to hold for the risk to reward ratio instead of taking partials, but ICT says to pay the trader, especially if you're a beginner, it's best to pay yourself and give you that confidence boost, because then it lets you know I'm doing something right, I was able to make money, so continue to do that. Long term though, if you don't feel you need it, screw it. Know what I'm saying? Bro, the FEG lines perfectly with the OTE if the swing high stops now. Right? Bro, I'm telling you. Right now, bro. Right now. It'd be so nice, huh? Just right there. Take off. 3, 2, 1. Can you share risk management file here? Let's see. Like Peter said, for my files it cost $50, but I just upped the price yesterday. It cost $200 now for my files. Olave, imagine. That'd be messed up, bro. That'd be awful. I'd be like, Hotshot, you suck. You suck, Hotshot. You're the worst, bro. I'm tired of you, Hotshot. Here you go, Ahmed. I'm about to place it in the chat right here. This is my risk management document right here. There you go. You money grabber, right? Do you still use a trading journal? I don't use a trading journal. I need to. I need to use it. Right now, my trading journal is with the challenge that I'm taking. The challenge keeps track of my trades, so I use that as my journal right now. I need to though. I'm gonna start incorporating it better. Makes sense. Thank you. You got it. You got it. Thank you, brother. You got it, Ahmed. Equal highs on the 4 hour. Third, probably a good target for today. For Euro, I'm telling you, bro. These are gonna get taken out for sure. It's just a matter of when. See what happens. See right now, if this 5-minute candle closes 2 minutes and 50 seconds just like this this wick is higher than the one to the left and the one to the right, so this is a valid fib point. And if price retraces here, that's a valid OTE. We'll look for entry. What up, Jamatenga? How you doing? You setting up on 1 minute again? Literally, you guys, this is a 1 minute OTE right here, from here to here. Ooh. It could happen. It could fly. I want to anticipate more of the 5 minute retracement, so I'm not gonna look to take that. It could fly though. It's literally could fly, and watch it do it too. Probably gonna do it. Do you ever release all the Google Docs with your models and other stuff? Uh, no. I keep them for myself, and a lot of the documents I don't have like updated because I learned so much more as I'm like trading live, as I'm like going through and watching other like videos and like doing that. So I don't get to update them to the point where I can share them constantly. My risk management document, I don't mind sharing that because that one's updated like fully. That one should be good. But other than that, like I don't have any other like documents that I feel are beneficial to y'all. They're just really just notes. You saved my ass yesterday. I took the buy. I have been holding it since. You're a dog. That's what's up. You've been holding it? Sheesh. Today I get 0.5%. It says unable to open the file at this time. Let me see the access. Because the access should be fine. Let's see. Manage access. Anyone with the link. Hey. That's your regular password for your laptop. Okay. You're welcome. It says anyone with the link can view it. Remove the editing at the end. Yeah, that's probably exactly what it is. Let me see. Share and export. Copy link. Here, I'm gonna repost it in the chat. There, I reposted it. Look at that 1 minute OTE working out. If you reframe 1 minute, yep, right here, didn't tap yet. But this was the most valid current swing low. That's why we frame it there. It worked. Thank you. You got it. You got it. Does MT5 allow you to enter a fraction of your position when scaling out at different take profit levels, or do you have to use multiple positions? That's a great question, Kay. I actually do not know. I use MetaTrader 4. And at different take profit levels, or do you have to use? So like on MT4 too, like let's say you incorporate, like let's say you want to take profit at like 2 different levels, you would want to incorporate it into that risk in your lot size. Yeah, so like it's, and then once you hit your first level, you'll just claim half of that lot size or whatever you consider the right portion. Say hi to Miss Hotshot, by the way. Hoping she joins you, the Hotshot family, soon, mostly futures. I'll definitely tell her, Job. Man, that 1 minute OTE worked out nicely. It's a bummer. It's a bummer that we didn't take it. I didn't take it. I hope somebody took it. Peter's like, I took it. Oh, Peter. Damn it. Damn it, eh? Damn it. So, even if that high gets created in 1 minute shows, I'm going to add that as a rule. Hotshot, do you have a limited number of trades per day just to protect your capital from losses? I only allow 2 losses per day, so 2% loss for a day is what I limit. If I catch a nice trade, I'm done trading. I won't even, unless I see a really nice setup and I hit if I'm up 2% for the day, I'm okay with risking 1%, because if I lose, I'll still be profitable 1% for the day. But if I don't see a good setup, I just call it a day and I'll just walk away profitable. But yeah, I allow myself 2% loss per day. Right now I'm down 1%, so I'm allowed 1 more trade, and if that one took a loss, then we call it. But if that one wins, shoot, we'll call it 2 unless there's a nice one. Great, thank you. You got it. You got it, girl. Thanks. So with MT4, you don't have to close the entire position. You can close just some of it. Yeah, you can close a portion of it. If you have like a 0.50 lot, you could close 0.40 and leave 0.10 running, or any type. You can close whatever. When you have time, could you send the links to the Google Docs, please? Which docs? Which docs? Nope, no trades in New York today. Had my trades earlier, 2 wins and 1 loss, 3% for the day. The loss stopped, break even, then went my direction. See, it happens, dude. It happens. Throw your stops to break even, it'll tap that break even, and then fly in your favor. It's like, oh, pisses me off sometimes. EU10 for weekly highs. Yup. Yup. It's gonna be the weekly highs. Cool. Risk management. Model do you trade? Sorry, Elmia. It's okay, Mikiel. The only model I trade is the optimal trade entry. I don't have a really good document put together for it. Um, I can put one together, steps by steps so you can follow. Right now I use like muscle memory. I have like my rules and everything written as well. So like I can provide that. Let me clean it up a little bit. And trading plan if you have one. I also have my trading plan. I just need to clean it up a little bit and then I can provide you all that information. But I'm gonna make another rule here in my trading plan. Actually, speaking of it, because I was going to. Uh, and then okay, I just made another rule for that. Cause jeez, thank you, I appreciate it. You got it. I'll get to work on it. Up 0.35 on UJ. Nice, nice. Heck yeah, soon. That 1 minute OTE. How much would we be up right now? I'm curious. We set it at the 20. Would be up almost 1 to 2. Wouldn't have hit our 2R yet. Looking for 1.10919 level for drawn liquidity. Waiting for silver bullet from 10 to 11. Dang, it's already almost time for silver bullet. Man, time flies, huh? Time be flying, flying so fast. I'll go use the restroom really quick. I'll be right back. Let's see what these markets do in the meantime. Stay. Who said I was peeing, Bodie? I said the restroom, bro. I ain't say I need a pee. Alright, TMI, TMI. Oh, this 1 minute. Let's see. From here to here. Y'all think it's gonna fly? Those 3 bear candles are scary. Yeah. Yeah. He said pooping? Oh man. Should we take this trade, y'all? Who's taking this trade? Who's taking this trade? If we took this trade, if we reframed it to here, that wick is a little too scary for me. Not gonna lie. Yeah, don't take it. Could be pulling back deeper first. It's all the protein. No, it is, bro. That's not even a... It truly is. Nah, it's going down to the lower swing low OTE, the 5 minute, huh? Or actually, this is a 5 minute right here. The one that this is framed on right here. This is the 5 minute that it's on right now. If it taps that green line, I might enter, yo. I might just enter if it taps that green line. Watch it fly from here, though. Oh, it's gonna fly from here, dude. Let's see. Stay. Excuse me. There it goes, y'all. It's teasing you. There it goes. Shoulda took it, I said. You shoulda took it. I'm lost here. Long or short bias? We're looking for buys, bro. But the reason why we're anticipating it to sell more is because on the 5 minute, it's in this huge expansion, right? It expanded, barely retraced, created another wick, expanded, created. It's about to create this wick high. You know, so if this candle closes where it's at, that's the wick high right there, and then then we could see a small retracement. It'll likely take that wick. We would have to reframe it to what the current framework is right here, and we would anticipate price to come potentially into the green line right here, which lines up with this fair value gap. But we are looking for buys strictly. It's just this 5 minute is really expanded, and it can start retracing at any freaking time. You just don't want to get caught in that retracement on the 5 minute, because then you'll lose this 1 minute, you know. And the 1 minute, technically this is a market structure shift right here. You know, this wick right here, as soon as price broke through it, that's technically a market structure shift. But the ultimate sentiment is bullish, you know? So it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard. OMG, I took that trade. Oh, yeah. Nice, Stanley. That's what's up. I was like, dang, I don't know, bro. I'm glad you took that trade, though. That's fire. That's what's up. Hell yeah. Man, good stuff. Weekly buy side liquidity got taken, but you can't see a good displacement. Sells after weekly high, hot shot. Yeah, huh? That weekly high candle broke above this weekly high. What if it keeps going, yo? How far is this weekly high? This weekly high is probably far as hell if we're looking at the smaller time frame. It looks close here, but it's probably far as hell on the 5 minute. It's not even that far, huh? It's literally right here. I think it's gonna keep going bullish till it taps that one out. It's literally right there. It's literally right there. Haha, Stanley, you out here making money, dude. That is so funny to me. On fire. Yeah. That's tight. Oh shit. I'm watching the stream on my phone, y'all, so I know whenever a setup is coming up or something. And I'm watching the chat too. I'm helping my lady set up her monitors inside. We're having trouble trying to set up her monitors for work, so we're setting that up inside. But I'm right here, yo. I'm right here. I wish I could have caught that 1 minute with you, Stanley. Dang. On this run in school is probably weekly volume imbalance. Facts. I think so too. I think so too. Let me see. All right, let's see. 1 minute OTE coming up right now. And just got out. Dang, good life, you in here or what? What up, good life? I haven't even seen you in here, bro. Let's see. 1 minute got an OTE setting up, maybe, huh? Huh? It just ran out that weekly high too. And if we frame it like this, it might use that weekly high as support. Keep going up. It did just tap the green line, but it didn't tap the 6-2. So if we it'd be about a 4.3, I'd add 5. Biggest trade profit I've had so far. journey. Thanks for riding with me, fellas. Nice. Yes, sir. We in here like swimwear. I like it. Haha, yeah. Nice, good stuff, Job. 116 pips bag. Damn. That's what's up. You got it, bro. That's what's up. Oh man, so 4.3. Oh wait. Hold on. I forgot news was coming out before I even try to enter this. All right, it's on CAD 1030. I don't know if CAD would affect it, but still, that's kind of scary too. Coming up, wanna, I wanted it to come back down. That wouldn't have been a bad one. Good morning, Pegasus. How you doing? Wednesday expansion going crazy, setting up nice for Thursday reversal. Think there's gonna be a reversal tomorrow or what? Sheesh. I wouldn't count it out. I wouldn't. I would not count it out. Hey, Lady Hotshot. Job said, "What's up?" What's up? What's up? What's up? You got chicken at the club.
Yeah, see? No USB-C signal from your device.
That don't make sense. It's your laptop.
It's my laptop. That sucks. Well, I'm gonna hold it into my laptop then.
Yeah.
You boys gotta chill with your daddy. I don't know what you think this is.
I don't know what you guys think this is
Is
either.
that you as a baby with your mom?
I think it's now gonna start retracing for the 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm not entering that one. Well, that's that news that just hit for CAD, dude. I was wondering if it would affect the dollar. Well, euro dollar. Clean your chart. I'm lost. You got it, bro. Oh man. So we're bullish, right? We're bullish. Why are we bullish? Well, weekly just finished expanding. Took out that high, right? Right here. This was our framework from here to here. retraced, optimal trade entry, expanded. Okay, so that's what happened just now, right? Price just took that out. Okay, so that being said, weekly was bullish. Daily, daily, we go to the daily, we see here, this was our recent framework, right? It was from here up to here, retraced, optimal trade entry, expanded, took out liquidity here, right? This was our ultimate draw, and we're targeting, today was crazy because of news and whatnot, but we were ultimately targeting this previous day's high. So that's why we're bullish. Both the daily and the weekly are bullish. And then if we go to the 4 hour, we see this was a framework from here to here. It retraced into equilibrium, but it didn't go into optimal trade entry at all. But that's okay. It still expanded, and this was a current swing. The current swing didn't retrace any deeper at all. So now it's this low. If this candle closes in 2 hours and 57 seconds, this would be the low, and we gotta wait till a new high forms to reframe the 4 hour. But everything is bullish, and that's why we were looking for bulls. And so right now on the 5 minute, from here up to here was the framework. As soon as this candle closed, right? Started looking, and then this happened. Once this happened, this created the low. So now this is a new framework from here up to the new high, which is this high here. Well, wait. There was this low right here that was formed, right? If we look at the L right here, if I hover that black candle, 10830 to the right, 10833. So this was a little bit higher than this one. So this would be the most current swing low right here. So right now, price just tapped the green level. If it hits 6.2, that's our OTE. Right now, this would be like our 5 minute framework. So this doesn't look like a bad buy, in my opinion. Okay. So if we took a buy right here, and then we put our stop right here at 20, 7.9. 7.9 plus 5, let's just call it 8. 13. 50 divided by 13 divided by 6 equals 0.64 would be my lot size here. So let me open my MetaTrader. And my entry is going to be right here. 10900. Place. Stop loss will be 0820. Take profit. We just got triggered into our trade. Take profit will be a 1 and 2. Right here. We'll target the 50. Now we'll target the 80. Now we'll go 50 actually, because it's right next. The 1 to 2 is right next to the 50 level. So we'll go right there. So take profit will be 11050. Wow, nice hot shot. Hot shot's going in. I'm going in, y'all. I'm going in. We in there like swimwear, my friends. I'm scared to ruin my morning though. If you've already had a good morning, don't take the trade. I allow myself two trades, 2 losses, 2%. I've only lost 1%. This could make back that, you know what I mean? It's a setup, you know what I mean? We don't know what price is gonna do. Could reverse, could keep expanding, but it's a solid setup based off of the 5 minute and based off of the whole bias. So this is why I'm taking it. Right now, it also lines up with this order block. I don't care for order blocks, but if you want to add a little bit more confluence, there you go. So we're looking good. We're in profit. Cherry dairy like a fairy. Feel me? Yep, I agree, Anti. Hot news coming out in 30. Yes, we'll be out before the news, hopefully. And if not, again, we close whatever the outcome. If we're in drawdown, if we're in profit, we close before the news hits. But we're looking very solid right here, if you ask me. Let's go, you! Chugga 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 chugga. You know the choo choo? You see what I did there? That's right. A little talented, huh? Just a little. Chugga 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 chugga. We're up 0.5% right now. More than 0.5% right now. We're just digging back, digging back, digging back. Oh, I didn't take this one. Hey, Stanley, you know what? It's okay. You already made yours, my friend. I gotta make mine too, brother. Well, I gotta get some too. You know what I mean? You, Peter, Good Life, freaking Job. Everybody out here eating. Hot Shot need to eat too. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I want mine. Put that food on my plate. I'm about to lick it clean. Feel me? Give me mine, dog. Let's go, EU. Let's go, EU. Hotshot gotta eat. Facts. I gotta eat, bro. I'm hungry. I haven't had my breakfast yet. Throw some berries on that. On fire, I'm telling you. USD is going in stronger when the news coming out. Be careful, price might reverse. If it does, it is what it is, my friend, It is what it is. We go hard or we go home, feel me? I need me hot shot for a reason, dog. Just kidding. I get hype in these situations, bro. Gotta get that paper, feel me? Put my sell stop to entry the news. You was savage. You was savage. Then it wicks you in and takes you the other direction. Nice, ICT simplified. Took my last trade on UJ Silver Bullet setup. Nice. Fire. That's what's up. Take partials once you hit that high, bro. Y'all think I should take partials? I don't know. We'll see what happens, bro. We'll see what happens. Fourth Naz win in 40 minutes. I'm up 7%. I love Naz. You a savage, Lewis. You a dog. That's what's up. When Hotshot is in a trade, need to put a muzzle on him? Facts, dude. Shit. Oh, give me that paper, boy. I'm out here trying to get mine, dog. I want mine. I want mine. No partials. Stick to the rules. Facts. Good luck, Hotshot. You the GOAT. I'm kind of thinking of making a YouTube channel. LOL, you inspired me. Bro, that makes me happy, Do it. Do it. Honestly, realistically, if you think about it, you invest your best asset into a YouTube channel, and that's time. Your best asset is time, right? You invest that into a YouTube. Let's go, Euro. Push. You invest that into a YouTube channel. Let's say you do that for like a solid year straight, right? A lot can change in your life. A lot of good people can enter your life like y'all have entered mine. And it can just form like a great motivation for you to actually achieve greatness, like for sure, dude. Push yourself, do it. I'll be a supporter just as much as you support. I'll be a supporter too. Heck yeah, let's do it, bro. Any of y'all, start a YouTube channel. I'll be fired. Ah! Ah! Oh, job is like told you. Ah! Ah! Stop it. Stop it. Ah! Cut it out. Oh my gosh. Cut it out, eh? I was in the trade but took profit once it hit the high. Hope it goes up for you though, bro. It will. Watch it. It's just gonna give a solid smash. It's gonna solid smash through there. Watch. It's messing with you. It is. I'm not even in this trade and I feel you, bro. The emotions are high. It's emotional hype right now, dog. Woo! Let's get it. You push, push, push. Come on. Deliver. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's going up. It's gonna go up. I wish it goes your way though. I'm freaking out. I feel you, bro. I believe it'll go up though. If we all believe it will go up, then it will go up. Law of attraction is real, y'all. Oh man, I'm so hyped right now. Let's see this. It's like we in this together. Facts, let's go, you. Push, push, push. That's what we want to see, bro. It created a swing low right here, dude. Let's see it take out the high. Take out the high. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Oh no. Come on. EU, let me tell you. Let me tell you a little something. You know, you pretty. You just as pretty as my lady. Lady Hotshot, you just as pretty as her. And I'll take care of you. You take care of me. You feel me? I, I'm just saying, like, be good to me. I'll be good to you. Feel me? I cherish you. I'll only trade you. I won't cheat on you with no other pairs. I promise. No, I swear. Come on now. I, I know. I know. Now I get it, but she's a human. Me and you, we got our own relationship here, EU. We got our own thing going. Yeah, you liking the way I talk to you, huh? You like that? Come on. I'll give you more. Come on. You want that? You want that massage? You want that? Girl, you already know what's up, EU. You already know what's up. Come on, just do daddy good. I'll do you good. You scratch my back, I scratch your back. Just come on. I swear. I swear. I'll delete all these other pairs. I swear. I ain't even play it all. Just do your thing, shawty. Just bust it down on me. Bust it, bust it, bust it. Come on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Come on. Come on. Offer her to let her take your money later. You can take my money later. I'll pay you back. Just give me 1 to 2 hours and I'll give you 1% anytime you want. Just deliver 1 to 2 hours often, please. Please. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Come on, you know you want a girl. I'll take you to that restaurant you like. You know what I'm saying? I'll take you in the caddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just come on, girl. Go play with me. Go play with me. Oh my gosh. Uh, uh. Come on, girl. You know you want to fly. Fly like the wind. Come on. Let's go. That's what we want to see. Take out all those wicks. What happened? What happened? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What time is this other news coming? 10:30? Oh my gosh. I can't handle it. I can't handle it. You teasing, you teasing. Just take it off. Just take it off already. Oh my gosh. Look at it moving sideways, bro. I don't like the sideways movement at all. Take out that wick. Yes. Okay. Cool. 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 We looking good. We looking good. We looking good, shawty. Yeah. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh. Oh my gosh. Come on, bro. Where's that momentum going? Stormzy, this is the Discord link. Here you go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Push. We got another swing low here. Hopefully this candle can glow above. Yes, all right. No swing high has been made. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Push, 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 push. Yeah! Let's go, gang. We are boom, baby. That's how we do it, bro. That is how we do it, bro. Yeah. Good stuff. Woo! That was an emotional roller coaster, but we did it. Good stuff, y'all. That is tough. That's freaking tough. Bunch of dubs. Put the dubs in the air right now, dog. Man. Never doubted it for a second. Facts, bro. Me neither. That's how we do. We out here, bro. We out here. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah. Oh, that was a good vibe. EU treating you well. I told her what I'd do. I told her what I would do. Here you go, baby. You know, daddy appreciates you. You know what I'm saying? Daddy love you, girl. Mm. Mm. Oh, that was tight. That was freaking tight. Yeah. That was freaking sick, dude. You've helped me so much with this strategy. I feel like I've understood so much then before with your videos. I trade one time a day. In the past 2 days, I've won 2 times back to back. That's what's up. Heck yeah, I'm happy to hear that. Keep doing your thing. You're doing good. Keep grinding. That's the only way to get better is you keep grinding. You'll go far, I'm telling you. That's what's up. Better take her out on a date later. Facts. Facts. Yeah, Araceli, yeah. Made some cool dollars, mate. Tomorrow's another day too. Facts, dude. We're coming back on this account, I'm telling you. Oh man, savage. That was torture job, I'm telling you. No trading for today, Bodie. We took 2 trades today. Lost one, won the other. We up 1% for the day, fam. We calling that. We calling it a day. Sheesh. Hotshot, you're a girl? Nah, nah. I'm not a girl. What? Man, that's just my hype voice. I'm like, oh shit, son, I'm tired. Does it sound pretty girly? I have a light voice, to be honest. Oh man. What are the stats on your account? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Alright. If we go to our home page, let's refresh. I don't think it's booked our new one yet. Hold on, wait. If we go look at trading history. Yep, this is it right here. Boom! Right? Wait, what 712? Yeah, that's it right there. That was a 0.64. That was it. We booked it right below 1 to 2 at the 50 level. 1 to 2 is just above it. And the next institutional level was a little too far. We still wouldn't have hit it. So good thing we booked it where we booked it, because oh my gosh, I'd still be emotionally wrecked right now. Woo! That was nice. That was very nice. But yeah, so right now on the account, we're down 1%. It shows me total I'm down negative $41.74 on my MetaTrader. On here, I don't know why it says negative. Oh, there it is. It just updated. Boom! Yeah, that's how much we're down on the account. Bro, we were down 5% on this account at the start of this week. At the start of this week, we were down 5%, bro. If we look at our trading history, look at it. This was start. Wait, where was it? Start of this week was on the 10th. Yeah, on the 10th, we're coming in off some losses, some dirty losses too. Sick losing streak. Look at all those losses that we're coming off of coming into this week. This week, we came in with a bang, 2% win. Then we came in with another 1.5% win. And then we hit another 2% win. Little L right there. But dirty, bro, dirty. Oh, man. We looking really good. Just my high voice, LMAO. Oh my gosh, that's funny. 5,000, yeah, this is my 5,000 account. I only threw 50 bucks at it. Hotshot's back in the groove. He eating today. Yup. Tomorrow we will get you back in the green. Facts. We will. Later's ICT Simplified. We'll see you tomorrow. Great. Keeping it 100. You have some losing days. The importance of RM. Facts. I got some sick losing days, dude. It sucks. We're coming off of an insane losing streak. We took some crazy losses on this account. But stuck to the plan, and it's digging us out of a hole. Look at our look at our thing. Dip like crazy, and then all of a sudden we're coming back out of the hole. So looking good. Nice going today. Thanks, John. Appreciate it. Oh man. Why do you think was the reason you lost previous trades? Because I was trying to trade reversals. Like for example, like Euro was at like maybe like a 4-hour optimal trade entry, and then like the 5-minute would give like a market structure shift or like something off of that 4-hour level, and then instead of like holding, it would just wipe out the stop loss, and I chased multiple entries there and lost 3%. So new rules were made. I'll be right back. Yeah. What strat am I doing? I'm doing the optimal trade entry. Optimal trade entry. When do you stream? Monday through Friday. I try to make it by 8:15 Eastern Standard Time, but Hotshot's time management sucks. So I get here when I can, you know what I'm saying? I try. But I try to make it before the market opens for sure, all the time. Minus 5% in my funded live account. Do silver bullet. I think I'm gonna trade OTE model. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, Selena, but yeah, I switch to OTE. You'll climb right back out of that hole. Telling you. Made 25,000 in just 30 minutes. Watch the video. What video? Oh man, you guys. I think that is going to be it for Hot Shot today. I'm gonna end the stream early to prevent us from taking any more entries. I think majority of us had a really good day. I had a good day, especially with y'all. So I appreciate all y'all's time. Um, until tomorrow, you guys. Tomorrow is another day. I'm currently -5 due to holding trades over CPI. Don't hold trades over CPI. Noted, noted, Bellas. Great rule. You'll come back. You'll come back. We all come back. OTE is bread and butter. The only strategy you need. Facts. Facts. Yeah, good time to wrap it up. I agree. See you all tomorrow. We will see you all tomorrow. Thank you all for coming through. If you're still going to trade, be safe. Good luck. Happy trading. See y'all later. Peace.